Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
We succeed in our struggle for freedom. You know, some people, some of you do not understand the reason why we are demanding for Biafra. Some of you feel we are troublemakers. Now I'm pointing at those following me on my personal account. The message is going to those following me on my personal account that feel we are troublemakers. When we post, they come and begin to comment nonsense and say nonsense. Especially those from other areas. There are not Igbo that may be seen Igbos as troublesome people, troublemakers, or what have you. Because they don't understand the reason why we are demanding for Biafra. And they are Nigerian. They will never understand. Even some of them that knows, because of what they benefit, what they are getting. The stipends they are getting from the Nigerian government, they are satisfied. So some of them always follow political party followers. Anywhere they go rally, you go because they make you a coordinator. They make you a coordinator. They make you social media agent. They make you you start criticizing what you're doing. I don't want disturbance here. I know a lot of people, a lot of friends. Before they were sympathizing with the struggle. Immediately they got one small coordinator of APC, coordinator of PDP. We are not their enemies. They are no longer anything we are doing. It's as if we are, in fact, that we are just there to make trouble. Some of them want to cause war because they don't understand. Some of them understand because of what they are. Those that don't understand, I can say they are ignorant. But ignorance is no defense. Ignorance is no defense. During my school days, I was taught there's a topic. Ignorance is no defense. It's like in literature, so ignorance is not an excuse. So for those that may be thinking that hey, we are causing trouble in Nigeria. Nigeria is already troubled. Nigeria is already troubled. So the trouble is not just coming from our own side. It is everywhere. So I'm not here to talk about reasons why we are seriously demanding for Biafra. I'm not here to talk about that. If anybody understands, you don't understand, you're in Nigeria, you know what is going on. You know what is going on. So why it's like as if I'm advising some of you, because I have about three cameras facing me here. And I'm particularly talking about those following me on my account, on my personal account, that are ignorant. Because I know those following me on my page, my personal page, our BNL page on Twitter, majority are reasonable. But those who are following me on my personal account, because I want political party or the other, because whatever we are doing, we are noisemakers. Because I pay. How much are they paying you? How much are they paying? Some of you are political appointees. If your governor or senator leave power, that is the end. There is no career. That's the end. And you feel most of us are jobless. We don't know what we are doing. I'm not jobless. I'm not. Now, let me come back to our supporters, our followers. Yes, a lot has been happening at the eastern end of the Gulf of Guinea, that is the Bakassi Peninsula area, the operational base of my group, the Biafra Nations League, BNL. You've been hearing of clashes, crisis, a lot of crisis going on there especially between the forces loyal to the Biafran struggle, the Black Marine, the Dragon Fighter Marine, that are pushing back our enemies out from the territory. And We keep warning. We have been warning them. Their short thing will come up. The kind of problem that will arise, they will not know how to go about it. They will not know how to settle it. They thought it was a joke. They thought it was just a mere press statement. We warned them. We told them what they will get in our operational base will be very, in fact, that they will be served in a very hot breakable plate. They thought it was a joke. It is our operational base. Where is our headquarters? You don't expect to control us. You have your headquarters, you have Yaoundé, you have Abuja, you have Bakassi is our operational base. And you are fighting for control. You can't control our territory. You can't control our territory. That is why they are getting the heat. They are getting it hot, and that is what they want. And I commend the gallant men there that are backing us in their own way. I commend them. So far, what they are doing is in the interest of our struggle, is in the interest of our people, is in the interest of Biafra. So I give them 100% support, full support. I commend them for the actions they are taking there. We told them we don't want to see any foreign vessel, or any vessel, whatever, in the peninsula there. And they kept coming. They ignored the instruction. We warned them, we warned them. We told them all their forces, external forces, to withdraw completely from our territory. They ignored. They said it is they are the government, so they are in charge. And we told them that warriors will rise to challenge them. It may not be BNL. You don't think we will see there is BNL? It may not be, but warriors will rise. They will rise from our ranks, from the ranks of BNL, and they will fight in their own way. In their own way. I use that logic, that still, it's like they didn't understand. Now, the main purpose I'm doing this broadcast because I can't continue to talk. Whether they like, they should listen. If they like, they should not listen. If anything they see, they should take it like that. Yesterday, recall that few weeks ago, the Nigerian military called off the 6 to 6 dusk to dawn curfew in Bakassi. There was a curfew in Bakassi from maternity in Akpabio local government to Ikan area in Bakassi, at the border there in Bakassi Peninsula. 6 to 6, if you are at work, you are in the market, once it's 5, you start going home. If you see the block everywhere, you sleep on the road. And our people became frustrated during that curfew, that 6 to 6 curfew. They said they were fighting crime, which is false. Which is false. And we told them that this 6 to 6 curfew is affecting our people. It's affecting as in livelihood in Bakassi. There are some people that they do business towards evening time, and they come back late. And you say they should not, around 6. They are blocking everywhere, they should not. Go, they should sleep where they are. They refuse, and when the gallant men took action, there, I think after some time, they shifted it to 10 p.m., from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. And now we are hearing that they have launched a new operation known as Operation Stillwater 3. And it was launched in Ikan yesterday. And we are asking why, who are they coming to fight? Who are they coming to fight? And they are launching Operation Stillwater to come and kill our people. That is just the purpose. Because the people that they are supposed to fight, they cannot stand them. They won't be able to stand them. It is innocent people that will be affected. That is why I'm much more concerned about the madness they displayed yesterday at the launch of Operation Stillwater. Tomorrow you start hearing that innocent people have been killed, humiliated, intimidation. From tomorrow you start getting the report of what they will be doing there. I pity the people of Ikan. I pity them. I pity them. And Ikan, all those areas, especially Ikan, where they have caged that community. They have caged that place, that community. To the extent that in Ikan, even if you as a business wants to travel, a security man will come and tell you they don't want you to leave your house. Don't move. If they see you travel, that they will arrest you, they start threatening you. In Ikan. In Ikan there. My very good friend there, when I invited him to my place, they warned him because they felt he's coming, they are coming to meet me, blah blah blah. That if he dare travels, is that where is it done? Where is it done? That you stop somebody from traveling, you stop somebody from going where he wants to go. This thing is happening in the camp. Because that is where all their criminal forces, that is where they are centered. There in the camp, because that is the border place there. So all of them are just there. They stop whatever their duty, which is to protect international borders. They are going about to people's homes, individuals, threatening them. And when Cameroon battled them, took over Bakassi, they couldn't even kill a single bee in Bakassi then. Well, I will advise our followers, my members of the Biafran Nations League, all our supporters in Ikan, to stay calm. All members of the BNL family in Ikan, in maternity, Idebe area, and is it Ikpakanya or Akpakanya? I don't know which of them is in Bakassi, and Akpabio. There's the Akpakanya, there's Ikpakanya. I will advise all our followers within these areas to be calm. They will get tired, so they will not use the opportunity and harmless supporters of Biafra and members of BNL family. Those that will handle them are already there, waiting for them. So while we watch to see how the water will be stilled, I will advise all our members to be calm. And there is trying my number. Sorry for the network interruption. So there are people in position to challenge them, and they are there already waiting. And I believe that the gallant men there will handle them. So I will advise my followers, my members, to be calm. To be calm. Let them carry out the operation. They should go, and they know those they will face, and those that will face them knows themselves. So while we will stay and we'll watch them like movie and see who wins the battle. That is what just like I'm sitting here now, I'll be watching. I'll be hearing news. Let's see how the battle will go. For this is a kind of fight that is so tough in movies. It will be very interesting. So everybody should be calm. If they block the road, whatever, everybody should be calm. Let the gallant forces there, the freedom fighters there, face them. They should go and face their likes. Those that are with gun meet gun. So those that are members that are not armed and not with gun should remain calm. That is my advice, and that is why I'm doing this broadcast. If you are watching from Bakassi, you are watching from Akpabio, you can share the video, show the video to your colleagues over there, this is my advice. Everybody should be calm. Everybody should be calm, so that they will not mistake you with those that will face them. Because definitely there are people that will face them. So they will not mistake you during their exercise still water. So everybody should be calm. Then let the freedom fighters, when I mean freedom fighters, the gallant men, those in charge of the territory, those in charge of the region, let them face them. I'll be here to be counting the result. I'll be here to be counting the result. And I believe they will not overpower the men there. They will not. Cameroon is already getting it hot. Cameroon is already getting it hot. And I warn them. They are already getting it very, very hot. Very, very hot. And I know I commend the boys. They've really proven that they are the owners of the territory. They are the main people in the territory. They are not strangers. They did not come from anywhere. They are the owners of the territory. And we, all the entire people of Biafra is concerned. Because we are what? We are all in the different eastern. Anything that concerns any area of in the different eastern region, every Biafran is concerned. We are all concerned. And that is why I'm giving them full support, full backing. Our gallant men there. So I won't sue for peace. The only way I can start making peace moves is if our demands is what is granted. Whereby they don't grant our demand, there will not be peace. So they should get it so that the situation will not escalate. It's already escalating. Because it's like we are hearing of explosion or whatever. We've been hearing of explosion recently. That's going on there. Now, they hear say the bomb everywhere. Boof. So the situation is getting out of hand now. It's getting out of hand. And that is the language they understand. That's just the only language they understand. So they have to do what we ask them to do. They have to do that before peace will be restored. Otherwise, there will not be peace. So it is good they have known that if our people there are fully in support of the struggle. Nobody is imposing anything on anybody. So I think I am done. I don't have much to say. Thank you all for.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.